Hi, this is an interesting question from one of our social media channels. This gentleman here is 20 years old. This is him here, and this is what he would like to be like. Okay, so the question that he says, he explains that he's a Norwood 5, I would say probably a 6 or 7 already, at 20 years old. Tried finasteride, minoxidil, did not work for him, and he wasn't doing anything else. He wants to get a transplant and use all of his donor area available, even if it's everything, to get something like this. Total coverage here on the top, and then no hair. He doesn't care if this is all void of hair and everything is being harvested. To create this, he would do SMP or scalp micropigmentation there to disguise it. So that's his plan, and that's his question. So again, just to illustrate what he's thinking about is to have permanent hair placed here on the top and then use everything here. Well, it's a difficult situation, and judging by what his donor looks like, the degree of extension of his hair loss on the top, the amount of surface area that we would have to cover, and the caliber of his hair, looks like here, obviously I'm not seeing him in person, but it looks like it's very fine caliber hair, which is not a problem if you have enough of it. Also, there is some lower density, particularly here in the back. I don't know if the camera can show that, but this looks pretty sparse here. So yeah, I mean, we could probably move a few thousand grafts over multiple procedures, but it's never gonna give him, in my opinion, this kind of density here. So even using everything he has, I wouldn't recommend it. I don't think the result will be enough to achieve your goals. So it's a difficult situation when you don't have enough hair donor area and you're very young and you have this much hair loss. The prospects for transplantation are very, very poor. So it's one of those situations where I would say, no, don't do it. I wouldn't recommend it. That's my personal opinion based on my experience. Obviously, people think differently. So when you have a situation like this, it's good to have 2 or 3 doctors with experience give you their opinion so you can decide for yourself. Okay? If you are in a situation like that, come to us. We'll take a look at your donor, take a look at your hair, give you an honest evaluation of what we can do, and we go from there. Thank you.